Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make a delicious, easy and affordable burger. So I will be using buns, tomato, lettuce, onion, burgers, cheddar, tomato ketchup, and egg, which is optional to use. I will start off by frying my egg. Once the oil gets hot, I will go in with my egg. I am making 2 burgers for breakfast, so I will be frying 2 eggs. The use of the egg is optional. Once the eggs are golden brown, I will set it aside for later use. Let's move on to frying my beef burgers. These burgers are from the supermarket, ready-made. If you desire, you can make your own from scratch. You can decide to grill your burger or fry them. So I am frying them using a bit of oil. You don't need much, okay? This is simply because I don't want an oily burger or burgers. Once it's fried to my preference or it's browned, I will set it aside. Fry for 5 minutes on each side on medium heat. When I make burgers, I like to toast the buns. Now, since the skillet is already hot, there was no need for me to melt any butter or add any oil in the skillet. Or if you desire, you can toast the buns in the oven, okay? At this point, the buns are beautifully toasted, and it's time to put everything together. Food is ready and it's time to enjoy. I enjoyed my burgers for breakfast. You can also enjoy it for lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes made simple. Stay blessed.